Are you facing challenges with capsule contamination, inefficient production, or stringent regulatory compliance in your pharmaceutical manufacturing? Introducing the PTK PF-1000H, an innovative capsule filling machine designed to overcome these hurdles with its unparalleled sealing, cleaning, and operational efficiency. The PF-1000H redefines hygiene and safety. Its wash-in-place system allows for thorough, effortless cleaning of machine parts without disassembly, drastically reducing downtime and manual labor. Coupled with an inflatable seal, it ensures a completely sealed environment during operation, preventing product contamination and maintaining GMP compliance. The glove port allows operators to perform essential tasks within the contained environment, enhancing safety and reducing exposure. For precise and contamination-free material transfer, the optional alpha and beta valve is available, ensuring complete containment and integrity of sensitive materials. For optimized workflow and efficiency, the bin lifter safely transports raw materials, while the capsule loader ensures a steady and continuous supply of capsules to the main machine, minimizing manual intervention and maximizing throughput. Integrated for seamless post-filling processes, the capsule polisher with metal detector ensures every capsule is not only perfectly polished, but also free from any metallic contaminants, guaranteeing the highest product quality and safety. The PF-1000H delivers state-of-the-art solutions, meeting the highest global standards for safety, efficiency, and quality. Ready to revolutionize your capsule filling process? Discover how the PTK PF-1000H can elevate your production to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into advanced pharmaceutical machinery. Visit our website at ptk4u.com or contact our sales team at sales@ptk4u.com for a personalized consultation.